Alright, before moving on and digging deeper into programming in Python, let's talk about the importance of indentation. If you're familiar with other programming languages, blocks of code are separated, for example, in C++ and C with curly braces, and PL and SQL and Pascal use begin and end. Now, in Python, we use indentation, so we basically press the tab key to have a blank empty white space in front of pseudocode here, as we can see. So here we have two functions. We'll talk about functions later, don't worry, in our later tutorial, with pseudocode statements. As you can see here, the indentation separates the blocks of code. As you can see, the statements 1 to 3 are one block, and statements 4 to 5 are another block. So, as you can see, this code is a lot more readable and aesthetically pleasing, unlike before or in other cases where we had jumbled code just all over the place. This is actually, it helps us read it better and it's more organized. And that is all for this tutorial. We'll see you next time.